Good morning, all of you. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos. Today, I will discuss about circles topic. Nana. This is circles topic in 12th standard coordinate geometry. First of all, today I'm discussing about types of circles. Types of circles. I'm discussing about types of circles. First of all, what is definition of circle? Definition of circle. In a plane, set of points p of x comma y. This is a set of points. In a plane means x axis and y axis. XY plane I'm taking. In a plane, set of points moving in a plane. It is a constant distance from fixed point. Moving in a plane, constant distance from fixed point. This is fixed point. A set of points moving in a plane, constant distance from a fixed point. That is C. The C nothing but center. That is H comma K. Moving in a plane, constant distance. These are moving like this. This is like called the CP equals to this constant distance is there now. That is called radius. The CP equal to R is called circle. Circle definition. Okay. One more. The set of points moving in a plane, distance from fixed point, center H comma K. That CP equals to that constant distance equal to R. R nothing but radius. R nothing but radius. C fixed point, that is nothing but center. That CP equal to R is called circle definition. C2P means 2 points form. Distance between 2 points form apply. Distance between 2 points form. Distance between 2 points form means C H comma K P X comma Y. CP distance. Here formula. What is that formula? Under root x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1 nana. This is x2 y2. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square. X minus h whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Y minus k whole square equal to R. Squaring on both sides. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to R square. This is the circle, standard form of the circle with center H comma K. Standard form of the circle with center H comma K. What is the definition? The locus of the point moving in a plane, distance from fixed point, it is constant. That constant distance, it is nothing but radius. That CP equal to R is the definition of the circle. Applying that condition, distance between 2 points formula apply here. We get circle equation standard form is if center H comma K, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to R square. If center 0 comma 0, what is the circle equation? If center 0 comma 0, h replace 0, k replace 0. What is the circle equation? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to R square. Then x square plus y square equal to R square. This is one more standard form. If center 0 comma 0. These are the standard form of the circle having center 0 comma 0. Standard form of the circle having center h comma k means this is the circle equation. Okay. Next type. Already you know second degree non-homogeneous equation. If any second degree non-homogeneous equation, second degree non-homogeneous equation, if any second degree non-homogeneous equation తీసుకుంటున్నా అంటే what is the second degree non-homogeneous equation form nana? That is ax square plus 2hxy plus dy square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is second degree non-homogeneous equation. It is represent circle. It is represent circle. Represent circle means here compulsory represent circle means 3 cases you can check that. A equal to b. Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. Compulsory any second degree non-homogeneous equation, a second degree homogeneous non-homogeneous equation, compulsory these conditions are compulsory, these conditions is agree, then problem is correct. First of all, a equal to b, first condition. Second one, h is equal to 0, coefficient of xy equal to 0. And third one, radius is always non-negative. These three conditions is possible, that second degree non-homogeneous equation is circle equation. Apply that three conditions. A equal to b. A equal to b means x square plus ax square plus ay square. A equal to b na. H equal to 0. This xy coefficient 0. 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay. If a equal to, I am taking 1 unit. If a equal to 1 unit, then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to, I am assuming if a equal to 1 unit, then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is called general equation of the circle. This is one more type. Total two types completed. First one is standard form having h comma k, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, completed. If center 0 comma 0, that is x square plus y square equal to r square. It is, this one is third type. This, what is the third type? This any second degree non-homogeneous equation is given. What is the conditions? Coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, h equal to 0, radius is non-negative. I am applying first two conditions. If a equal to 1, then what is we get? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is called general equation. General equation of circle. General equation of circle. This is general equation of circle. It is denoted by S. It is denoted by S. S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is general equation from second degree non-homogeneous equation. This is the third type. Okay. Next. In second degree non-homogeneous equation, we get general equation s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here, what is center, what is radius? First of all, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus g square plus f square equal to 0 plus g square plus f square. Adding both sides g square plus f square. Adding both sides g square plus f square. After that, x square plus 2gx plus g square plus y square plus 2fy plus f square plus c equal to 0 plus 0 square plus f square. After that, what is this? A plus b whole square formula. X plus g whole square. What is this? Again a plus b whole square formula. Y plus f whole square plus c equal to 0 g square plus f square. The c goes to right side. X plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c. After this is total compare with standard form. What is standard form? If h comma k in center, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Compare with x minus h whole square plus y minus. Please compare. Minus h is equal to how much? G. And minus k equal to how much? F. Then h comma k equal to how much? Center. H comma k equal to minus g minus f. This is the one of the formula. If second, that is general equation of the circle is given. General equation of the circle is given. What is the center formula? Minus g minus f. Don't take h comma k. H comma k, that is standard form. Here general equation of the circle is given, that center is equal to minus g minus f. Radius equal to r square equal to how much now? R square equal to g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula of second degree, general equation of the circle. R equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Center h comma k equal to minus g minus f. First of like this simplification. This g square plus f square minus c equal to r square only. R equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Minus h equal to g, minus k equal to f. H comma k equal to minus g minus f. This is center, that is radius. This is third type. Next, diameter equation of the circle. Fourth type. Diameter equation of the circle. Diameter equation of the circle. What is diameter equation? Actually, what is diameter? Actually, what is diameter means, for example, line segment joining this A and B. What is this? This is nothing but chord. What is this? C and D. That is diameter. This CD is diameter. This AB is chord. Line segment joining 2 points A and B. This passes through circle, that is called chord. But that line segment passes through center of the circle, it is called diameter. Any line passes through center of the circle, that is called diameter. We find out diameter equation is asking here. What is diameter equation? I am taking one circle. Here I am taking 2 points, n points of diameter. This is circle. N points, what is that? A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Here P x comma y is any point on the circle. Here angle is 90 degrees. Okay, here angle is 90 degrees. A x1 y1, B x2 y2. What is the question, concept diameter equation of the circle? Here diameter equation, here angle is 90 degrees means slope of AP into slope of BP equal to -1 only na. Here two lines is there. AP is one line and BP is one line. Two lines is there. The two lines are perpendicular means already in straight lines you know that product of the slopes equal to -1. Then that's why you take in slope of AP. Slope of AP equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of BP also y minus y2 by x minus x2. Okay, after that, what is the condition? Here AP is perpendicular in diagram. This AP and BP both are perpendicular. AP is perpendicular to BP means that this is M1, this is M2. Means what is the condition? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 into y minus y2 by x minus x2 equal to -1. These two terms, denominator terms goes to right side. Y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. That is, therefore, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the diameter equation. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. This is diameter equation. This is the fourth type. Four types of equations we get. I will ask some questions here. Special types of circles. Four types already completed. This is special types I am asking. The equation of the circle. The circle touches x-axis. Circle touches x-axis. I am taking in xy plane. In xy plane, circle touches x-axis. The circle touches x-axis. The circle touches x-axis means what is the center? Center. I am taken. Let center alpha comma beta. Let center alpha comma beta. Circle touches the x-axis. I am taken center alpha comma beta. How much radius? Circle touches x-axis nothing but y equal to 0. Center alpha comma beta to this y equal to 0 perpendicular distance. How much? Beta only na. Please check that. Alpha comma beta to center alpha comma beta to x-axis perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. That equal to beta only. Therefore, center radius is there are equal to beta. Center alpha comma beta is there. Center is there, radius is there. Standard form, what is standard form? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square only na. Then h equal to alpha and k equal to beta. Y minus beta whole square, radius equal to beta square. This is first type. Circle touches x-axis means x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to beta square. Similarly, circle touches, second case, circle touches y-axis. Circle touches y-axis. How much center? Center I am taking regularly alpha comma beta. Radius how much? Touches y-axis means x equal to 0. From center to x equal to 0 perpendicular distance is alpha. Therefore, here center alpha comma beta r is equal to alpha. Therefore, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to alpha square. This is second case. Third case, circle touches both axes. Circle touches both axes. Circle touches both axes means what is that? Same center alpha comma beta. Circle touches both axes means here center to this x-axis distance, center to y-axis distance, both distance are equal na. Then alpha equal to beta here. Center alpha equal to beta. Alpha equal to beta means center alpha comma alpha, radius also alpha only. Both total equal. Then x minus alpha whole square plus y minus alpha whole square equal to alpha square. This is the third case. These are the three special types of circle equations. Okay, with respect to coordinate system also like this you can define, no problem. These are the types of circles. In next class, remaining concepts I will discuss in circles and problems also. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing and share my videos. Any doubt is there, please send message. I will give reply. Thank you.